Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. So, ang talakayan nating video natin ngayon is about logo. First of all, ano ba ang logo? Or what is a logo? A logo is a visual symbol, graphic mark, or emblem used to identify and represent a brand, company, or organization. Logo is the face of business. It reflects our brand, identity, and value. A good logo is a simple, memorable, and versatile. Factors to consider in logo making: simplicity, relevance, color psychology, typography, scalability, uniqueness. And first, simplicity. A simple logo is the easy to recognize and remember. Avoid clutter to many details. Example, Nike and Apple. Simple lang kayo siya nga logo. Yung simple lang nga logo. Next, relevance. Your logo should reflect our business, type, or industry. It should match your brand, tone, professional, fun, modern, and etc. Color psychology. Colors affect on how your brand is perceived. Blue, trust. Red, energy. Green, growth. Note: limit your plate to 2 or 3 colors. Typography. Choose readable and appropriate fonts. Fonts shall be complement or your logo icon. Avoid trendy fonts that age quickly. Scalability. Your logo should look good in any size. Test it on different formats, business, cards, website, and signage. Uniqueness. Your logo must stand out from competitors. Do to quickly research to ensure it's original. So, based for your research, dapat original dapat ang yung logo. Your own logo dapat. Dapat walay kapareho. And thank you for your watching. So, sana marami kang natutunan sa video na ito about logo. At maraming salamat sa pagnonood. At thank you so much. Thank you for watching.